Hi, welcome to High Tech Machinery Inc. Today we are going to give you the demo on the Summit 34 inches by 120 inches engine lathe. This machine is in a great condition. The machine has a big swing. It has a 34 inches swing over the bed, 120 inches between center. Machine has a 4.1 inches spindle bore, and machine is in a great condition. So now we're gonna give you the demo. Yes, sir. So the spindle has been started. What is the current RPM? Right now the RPMs are 247 RPM going on. That's a reverse, that's a forward cross feed going on. And this is a forward longitudinal feed. We're going to switch the directions now. And that's a reverse longitudinal feed going on. And this is a reverse cross feed. We're going to switch now to threading. So threading has been engaged. Now we're going to show you the threading on the machine. That's a forward threading going on. And this is a reverse threading. Now we're going to show you the different RPMs on the machine. We're going to show you the different RPMs on the machine. What is RPM right now, Dave? 543 RPM going on. We're going to show you the lowest RPM, the highest RPM on this machine, and some middle RPMs too. Uh, 14 RPM. This is the lowest RPM on this machine. 14 RPM. Ninety-one RPM. Forty-eight RPM.
1010.
This is 1010 RPM. As you can see, the spindle is super quiet. Oh, wow. That's quite fast. That is 1010 RPM. So we have showed you all the functions on the machine. We have showed you the lowest RPM on the headstock of 14 all the way to the 1000. How many? 1000? 1010 RPM. That was the highest RPM on the machine. The machine has a super quiet spindle. Machine has an inch and metric threading. It has a quick change tool post. Reverse and forward threading, tailstock, 20 inches 4-jaw chuck, 34 inches swing over the bed, 120 inches between center. So overall, this machine is in a great condition. And plus, this machine has a big bore. It has a 4.1 inches spindle bore. So we have showed you all the functions on the machine. If you have any questions, you can call us at 913-306-1377. The machine can be inspected under power at our warehouse in Independence, Missouri. Thanks for watching.